Hi class. We're going to do another example of undetermined coefficients here. And more or less the only thing that changes is what we have to guess. I've chosen to do number 4, which is y double prime plus y equals negative 3 cosine 2x minus 6 sine 2x. And to start, what we're going to do is again find the homogeneous solution by using the auxiliary equation. In this case, I just get m squared plus 1 equals 0. So m is plus or minus I, which tells us that the homogeneous solution is c1 cosine x plus c2 sine x. Now the next part, so I found the homogeneous solution. I'm going to guess something which looks an awful lot like g. Anytime I have either sine or cosine, I guess them both. If I have them both there, I won't get 4 terms. I'll just get a cosine 2x plus b sine 2x. So we're going to guess a cosine 2x plus b sine 2x. Now I need to take derivatives so that I can plug it back into the left-hand side of my differential equation. And then I'll get, let's see, so negative 2a cosine 2x, and then just 2b, taking the derivative of this one, I get negative 2a sine 2x, and taking the derivative of this one, I get 2b cosine 2x. Yp double prime is, if I take the derivative of this one, I'm going to get negative 4a cosine 2x. And if I take the derivative of this one, I'll get negative 4b sine 2x. And I've lined up the terms because I know I'm going to have to add them together, and it just looks nicer if you add them up in columns. Okay, so let's see. Just like before, Yp double prime is negative 4a cosine 2x minus 4b sine 2x plus yp, which is a cosine 2x plus b sine 2x. Now here I'm going to give you a warning, which I've seen a lot of students, a trap lots of students fall into. Because this is the last thing that you calculated, it's easy to mess up what goes where when you're plugging it back in. Just be really careful, and if you slow down, you'll plug them in the correct place. What I'm supposed to get is negative 3 cosine 2x minus 6 sine 2x. That's what my differential equation tells me I should get. What I actually get is 3a cosine 2x minus 3b sine 2x. Equating the coefficients of cosine and sine on the left and right tells me that negative 3 should be 3a, and negative 6 should be negative 3b. This system of equations isn't really a system because both of them are just one equation with one unknown, so they're actually easy to solve. A is just negative 1, and b is just 2. So this tells me by plugging in back into y sub p that y sub p equals negative cosine 2x plus 2 sine 2x. And mark out where y sub p is. You could put a box around it or something if you like that. And then I write the general solution down, y sub p plus y sub h. And that's it.